Hello my dear students, with this video we are going to distinguish between regular and irregular verbs to form the past simple tense in English. First of all, I want to look at the following examples. Susan played basketball with her friends yesterday. I went to Ireland last summer. The verb in the first sentence is played and it is regular. The verb in the second sentence is went and it is irregular. Now, let's concentrate on the regular verbs. Look at the following verbs. Listen, helped, watched, returned, played, visited, looked, and worked. As you can see, all these verbs have added the suffix ed at the end to form the past simple tense. Next, we are going to practice a little bit. Can you transform these regular verbs? Answer, ask, remember, cook, transform, climb, finish, scream, and talk. Now, it's your turn to use the verbs in sentences. Choose 3 of these verbs and write 3 sentences in the past simple form in your notebook. Ready? But careful! Not all regular verbs add the suffix ed. There are some rules when added the suffix that imply some spelling changes. Let's look at them one by one. Verbs ending in E only add D. For example, arrive, arrived. Verbs ending in consonant plus Y change the Y for an I and add ed. For example, study, studied. Monosyllable verbs ending in the pattern consonant, vowel, consonant, double the last consonant and add ed. For instance, chat, chatted. And finally, the verb travel doubles the last consonant in British English, but not in American English. Okay, now it is the turn of irregular verbs. Please, can you look at these verbs again? Ate, drank, built, went, wrote, lost, had, begun. Do they have anything in common? The answer is no. You must learn them by heart from the regular verb list that you have. But I'm sure that you are familiar with some of them, don't you? Okay, I'm aware that learning irregular verbs is one of the most hated aspects when studying English. So here you are some useful groupings to learn irregular verbs more easily. The first group changes the final D for a T, as in build, built. Others add T, as in dream, dreamt. The next group changes the end for U, blow, blew. Next group changes the vowel I for A, as in sing, sang. The next group changes the vowel to O, like write, wrote. Or others change to ought, bring, brought. The twin verbs are those verbs that remain the same, as it is the case of cost, cost, and mixed verbs have no regular pattern. This is the case of be, was, were, or have, had. I hope this video has helped you to learn and understand better how to distinguish between regular and irregular verbs. And remember, learning can be fun. Bye for now.